In many parts of the world, there exists a tree so revered, so deeply woven into the fabric of daily life, that it is affectionately called the village pharmacy. This is not just a poetic nickname. It's a testament to the vital role this tree plays in the health and well-being of entire communities, especially in rural areas where access to modern medicine can be limited or expensive. For millions of people across Asia and Africa, that tree is the neem tree. Its presence is unmistakable. Tall, resilient, and crowned with a canopy of vibrant green leaves, the neem tree stands as a silent guardian in countless villages, offering shade, shelter, and, most importantly, healing. For thousands of years, neem's bitter leaves and potent seeds have been a cornerstone of traditional medicine. Healers and villagers alike have turned to neem to treat a wide range of ailments, from soothing skin irritations and healing wounds to addressing fevers, digestive issues, and even more serious internal conditions. The knowledge of how to use neem has been passed down through generations, becoming an essential part of cultural heritage and daily survival. Today, modern science is beginning to catch up, rediscovering what ancient cultures have always known. Neem is a powerhouse of natural healing. Researchers are now studying neem's unique compounds, uncovering its antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. These discoveries are validating centuries of traditional wisdom and opening new doors for natural health solutions. Every part of the neem tree serves a purpose. The leaves are used to purify the blood and boost immunity. The bark is known to help reduce fevers and fight infections, and the twigs have long been used as natural toothbrushes, promoting oral health in a way that's both sustainable and effective. The seeds are pressed to produce neem oil, a powerful remedy for skin health, used to treat everything from acne and eczema to minor wounds and insect bites. Even the flowers and fruit have their own unique uses in traditional remedies and rituals. Long before the arrival of drugstores and pharmacies, there was neem standing tall in the heart of the village, offering its healing gifts freely to all who sought them. It is a living symbol of nature's generosity and wisdom. As we journey deeper into the world of neem, keep an open mind. We'll explore the secrets behind this ancient superleaf, learn how it works within the body, and discover what modern science has to say about its remarkable benefits. The story of neem is not just about a tree, it's about the enduring relationship between people and the natural world. The neem tree teaches us valuable lessons in health, resilience, and the incredible healing intelligence of nature. Its story is a reminder that sometimes the most powerful remedies are found not in laboratories, but growing quietly in the heart of our communities. Get ready to discover why this humble tree has earned its legendary status, and how its gifts continue to inspire awe and gratitude in those who know its true worth. The neem tree, scientifically known as Azadirachta indica, stands as one of nature's most remarkable healers. This fast-growing evergreen is native to the Indian subcontinent, where it has flourished for millennia, shaping the landscape and the lives of those who live alongside it. Neem's presence is unmistakable, with its tall, graceful form and vibrant green canopy providing shade and shelter in even the harshest environments. What makes neem truly extraordinary is its ability to thrive in drought-prone and arid regions where few other trees can survive. Its resilience allows it to flourish in sun-baked, dusty soils, making it a vital resource for communities facing water scarcity and harsh climates. With its deep, far-reaching roots anchoring it firmly to the earth, and its dense, lush foliage filtering sunlight, neem has long symbolized protection, endurance, and hope. For over 4,000 years, ancient groves of neem have stood as living testaments to nature's power to heal and endure, even in the face of adversity. The tree's bright green, pinnate leaves are not only beautiful, but also instantly recognizable, while its delicate, fragrant white flowers fill the air with a subtle, sweet aroma during blooming season. These features make the neem tree a familiar and cherished sight across villages and cities alike. Its olive-like fruits, which ripen to a golden hue, contain seeds that are carefully harvested to extract neem oil, a substance renowned for its potent medicinal and agricultural properties. This oil is used in countless remedies, from skincare to natural pest control, Every part of the neem tree, from its leaves and bark to its seeds and flowers, is treasured in traditional healing systems. In Ayurveda, neem is considered sacred and is used to treat a wide range of ailments, from skin disorders to digestive issues, embodying the holistic approach of ancient Indian medicine. The very name Azadirachta indica translates to the free tree of India, a reflection of its abundance and its legendary reputation for freeing people from disease and suffering. For generations, families have gathered beneath its branches, seeking relief, wisdom, and community. Beyond its healing powers, neem plays a crucial role in agriculture and the environment. Its leaves and extracts are used as natural pesticides, protecting crops without the need for harmful chemicals. Neem trees enrich the soil, support biodiversity, and help maintain a healthy ecosystem wherever they grow. Over time, the remarkable benefits of neem have spread far beyond India's borders. Today, neem trees thrive in Africa, Southeast Asia, and even the Americas, where they are cultivated in plantations and home gardens alike. People around the world now use neem products for health, beauty, and sustainable agriculture. When we talk about neem, we're not just discussing a tree. We're tapping into a living legacy of healing, sustainability, and resilience that spans continents and centuries. Neem's story is a testament to the enduring wisdom of nature and the interconnectedness of cultures across the globe. Neem's healing power comes from its complex chemistry, a remarkable blend of natural compounds that have been revered for centuries in traditional medicine. When you look at a neem leaf, you might just see a simple green leaf, but inside, it's a miniature pharmacy packed with potent ingredients. Scientists have discovered that neem contains over 140 active compounds, each contributing to its wide range of health benefits. These compounds don't work in isolation. Instead, they interact and amplify each other's effects, making neem a truly powerful natural remedy. The stars of the show are a group of chemicals called limonoids, with nimbin, nimbidin, and azadirachtin being the most well-known. These unique molecules are responsible for many of neem's healing properties and are found in higher concentrations in the leaves, seeds, and bark. Azadirachtin, for example, is a natural insecticide that protects the plant from pests, and when used by humans, it helps keep unwanted bugs at bay. Nimbin and nimbidin, on the other hand, are celebrated for their anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and antibacterial benefits, making neem a go-to remedy for skin issues, infections, and more. When you consume neem, whether as tea, capsules, or in traditional preparations, it acts like a natural antibiotic and anti-inflammatory in one, supporting your body's defenses from the inside out. But that's not all. Neem is also rich in antioxidants, such as quercetin and beta-sitosterol. These powerful molecules help protect your cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals, which can contribute to aging and disease. Beyond its medicinal compounds, neem leaves are a source of essential nutrients. They contain healthy fatty acids, plant-based proteins, and vital minerals like calcium, magnesium, and potassium. This makes neem not just a healer, but also a nourishing addition to your diet. The real magic of neem lies in how all these compounds work together. This synergy creates a holistic health tool that addresses multiple issues at once, rather than just targeting a single symptom or condition. Herbal medicine has long valued this natural synergy. By using the whole leaf, you benefit from nature's carefully balanced cocktail of substances, which not only enhances effectiveness, but also helps reduce the risk of side effects that can come from isolated compounds. So, when you use neem, whether as oil, powder, or fresh leaves, you're tapping into the full spectrum of its benefits. You're not just getting one active ingredient, but a complete package designed by nature for optimal health. This is why neem has stood the test of time, trusted by generations across cultures as a reliable remedy for countless ailments. Its reputation as a village pharmacy is well-earned, thanks to its broad and balanced healing power. Neem is a living example of nature's intelligent design for health, a testament to the wisdom found in the natural world, waiting to be discovered in every leaf. Your immune system is your body's security team. Neem gives it a powerful upgrade. Neem's limonoids and antioxidants are immunomodulators, helping your immune system respond to threats without overreacting. Its antibacterial and antiviral properties have helped people fight infections for centuries. Neem can inhibit the growth of harmful microorganisms, making it a natural shield against everyday germs. Antioxidants like quercetin reduce oxidative stress, keeping immune cells strong and healthy. Regular, careful use of neem, like in tea or supplements, can fortify your system over time. Neem's anti-inflammatory properties calm chronic inflammation, allowing your immune system to rest and recharge. By reducing unnecessary inflammation, Neem helps your body maintain balance and resilience. It's not just about fighting illness, it's about creating a healthy internal environment. Neem is a daily ally for a robust immune system. Harness its power to help your body thrive. Neem is a centuries-old beauty secret for clear skin and healthy hair. Its antibacterial and antifungal properties fight acne by eliminating bacteria and reducing inflammation naturally. Neem oil, rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, soothes dry, irritated skin and helps with eczema and psoriasis. It calms redness and itching while restoring the skin's protective barrier. For hair, Neem tackles dandruff and itchy scalp by eliminating fungus and balancing scalp health. A healthy scalp means stronger, shinier hair. Neem creates the perfect environment for growth. Its antioxidants protect hair follicles, preventing premature thinning and loss. Use Neem as a scalp treatment, in your conditioner, or even with a neem wood comb for best results. Neem isn't just for treating problems, it promotes lasting beauty from root to tip. Incorporate Neem into your routine for radiant skin and hair. Nature's all-in-one solution is waiting on a tree. Your health starts in your gut, and Neem is a powerful ally for digestion. Its bitter compounds stimulate the liver and bile production, aiding fat breakdown and detoxification. Neem combats intestinal parasites and harmful bacteria, cleansing your digestive tract without harming good gut flora. It soothes the stomach lining, offering relief for gastritis, ulcers, and acid reflux. By reducing inflammation and supporting gut health, Neem also boosts your immune system. A small, controlled amount of Neem, like diluted tea or capsules, can help maintain a resilient digestive system. Neem keeps your gut and your whole body in balance. Balancing blood sugar is a modern health challenge. Neem may help. Traditional medicine and emerging research suggest Neem compounds can improve insulin sensitivity and support metabolic health. Neem may slow the breakdown of carbohydrates, leading to steadier blood sugar after meals. It's not a replacement for medication, but a potential supportive tool in a holistic approach. Always consult your doctor before using Neem for blood sugar, especially if you're on medication. Neem's promise lies in complementing healthy habits, not replacing them. Explore its benefits safely with professional guidance. Neem's uses are as diverse as its benefits. For centuries, people have chewed neem twigs as natural toothbrushes, using their antibacterial juices to clean teeth and freshen breath. In Ayurveda, neem leaves are made into pastes for skin, boiled for washes, or consumed in small amounts for internal health. Today, neem is found in soaps, lotions, shampoos, powders, capsules, and tinctures, making its benefits accessible to all. Modern products offer convenience, but the principles remain the same. Harness Neem's natural power for health and wellness. Neem-infused toothpaste and creams bring ancient wisdom into your daily routine. Science has helped concentrate and stabilize Neem's properties for modern use. Neem bridges the gap between tradition and innovation in natural health. Neem is a natural champion for oral health. Its antibacterial compounds fight the bacteria that cause plaque, cavities, and gum disease. Using Neem-infused products or traditional twigs disrupts plaque formation and keeps gums healthy. Neem's anti-inflammatory properties soothe irritated gums and reduce swelling. It addresses the root causes of gum problems, not just the symptoms. Neem also tackles bad breath by reducing odor-causing bacteria. From toothpaste to mouthwash, Neem offers a complete, natural system for oral care. It's a dental secret proven effective for centuries. Neem is powerful, but it must be used wisely. Always consult your doctor before using neem, especially internally. High doses can be toxic. Never take neem oil internally, and stick to recommended dosages for supplements. Pregnant or breastfeeding women and people with autoimmune diseases should avoid neem unless advised by a doctor. Neem can affect blood sugar, so diabetics must use caution. For skin, always dilute neem oil and do a patch test before wider use. Natural doesn't always mean safe. Use neem thoughtfully to maximize benefits and minimize risks. Respect neem's potency, and it can be a valuable part of your wellness routine. The neem tree is a living symbol of nature's wisdom and resilience. For millennia, it's offered health and healing, now validated by modern science. Neem's holistic benefits, from immunity to skin, oral health to metabolism, showcase the power of natural solutions. Embracing neem isn't about rejecting modern medicine, but integrating the best of both worlds. Learning about ancient remedies empowers us to take charge of our well-being. As research continues, neem's potential will only grow. Let neem inspire your own journey into natural health. Your health is your greatest asset. Keep learning, growing, and embracing nature's power. The journey to wellness starts with curiosity and respect for the world around us. Please like and subscribe for more natural health remedy videos like these.